Thank you very much. We are really happy to be invited back here to the Community Hospital Celebrity Waiter Dinner. We're happy to be back with you this
We
year.
usually don't get invited back, so. CBS never invited us back.
No, that's actually pretty accurate. But especially after your performance last year, Tommy, I'm
My
shocked.
performance was all right last year.
Yeah, I wasn't very professional and it wasn't very polished, and frankly, I was very shocked when they asked us back. But what we want to do is we want to try to start out with a song that is a very powerful, very meaningful song, and a song that fits in very well with the theme for tonight. So I think we have a song selected that will fit the bill just right. This is a song about two individuals who are very much in love, and their love is very genuine and very unselfish and very true. But it's a love that was severed most permanently and most tragically.
That's too bad.
Yeah,
Thing like that.
Yeah, yes, it really was. But you know through the words of the song that a love as true and as strong and as genuine as theirs would last and last forever.
That's true.
That's right.
That's true. Their love would last forever. And the words of this song that tell so poignantly and powerfully about
poignantly, Tommy. Please, poignant is the word.
So poignantly and powerfully, the words of this song were the words were written by one of America's most beloved poemists.
Yeah, what?
No,
stop. What did you say?
One of America's most beloved poemists.
Now, Tommy, there is no such word as poemist. You know that. There is no such word as poemist. I don't know why you do that. You know, when you are not sure what the word is, why do you just blurt it out and then stand there and look like a fool? Why don't you ask me? Why don't you check with me and make sure you've got the right word? You know there's no such word as poemist.
No, I don't. Okay, what is the word for one who writes poems?
Well, any idiot knows that. It's a poet writer.
A poet writer? You're as dumb as I am.
All right.
Glad I didn't ask him a couple other questions I had in mind.
Just cut it out now. It is poet. It's poet. Now use the right word.
The words to this song were written by one of America's most beloved, serially. This song was written by one of America's most beloved poets, the wonderful Jack Fries.
No, Frost.
Jack Frost.
No, Robert Frost.
Robert Frost. And the words to this, we put the words to this poem to music to one of America's beloved, one of the world's beloved classical works. It's a beloved classical work. Clyde the bus is going to the moon. Clyde the bus is cleared the moon. Cleared the moon. Bitter cat. I sit
Sit alone